Hello everyone. The Lanka Premier League, or LPL, is set to introduce a new impact substitutions rule, along with a regulation that mandates each team to include an under-23 player in their playing 11 at all times, even after an impact substitute is utilized. These changes were significant factors that influenced the strategies of the league's 5 franchises during the LPL 2026 draft, which took place in Colombo on June 2. According to reports, both rule changes emphasize the importance of strategic squad construction. Teams had to navigate a delicate balance between experience and youth, as they selected from 4 pre-signed players and made 16 to 18 additional selections during the draft. The challenge was compounded by a limited pool of eligible under-23 players, as many of Sri Lanka's top under-19 talents are scheduled to tour India in July and will not be available for the tournament. Furthermore, it was noted that both Patham Nishankar and Mathisha Pathirna are dealing with injuries. Despite Nishankar's inclusion in Sri Lanka's squad for the upcoming West Indies tour, it has been reported that his workload is being managed carefully, with surgery anticipated to ensure his fitness for India's tour of Sri Lanka later this year. The LPL is officially set to commence on July 17, featuring a rematch of the 2024 final, with the defending champions Jaffna Kings going up against the 2024 runners-up Galle Marvels. The final squads for the tournament are as follows: SC Jaffna Kings, Taskeen Ahmed, Duneet Velalaj, Shakib Al Hassan, Bhanuka Rajapaksa, Avishka Fernando, David Weezer, Dilshan Madhushanka, Kamal Mishra, Traveen Matthews, Ibrahim Zadran, Mohammed Shiraz, Chamindu Vikramasinghe, Nuvanidu Fernando, Sandeep Lamichhane, Lizard Williams, Deependra Airi, Kugathas Mathulam, Praveen Manisha, Nishan Madushka, Colombo Carps, Ben McDermott, Kamindu Mendes, Jimmy Nisham, Kusal Mendes, Binura Fernando, Mujib-ur-Rahman, Sadira Samaroikrama, Milan Ratnayake, Janit Lianaj, Shanawaz Dahani, Jeffrey Vandese, Thanuka Dabare, Mohan Subasinghe, Mohammad Harris, Hassan Mahmood, Kushal Bhutel, Malsha Tharupati, Sharijan Shanmuganathan, Vanuja Sahan, Anthony Pragasam, Candy Royals, Vijay Shankar, Angelo Matthews, Moin Ali, Vanindu Hasaranga, Nuvan Tushara, Ramanullah Gurbaz, Kusal Pereira, Asita Fernando, Garukha Sanket, Daniel Sams, Vishing Halambaj, Mudita Lakshan, Lahiru Udara, Dale Phillips, Zahir Khan, Brandon McMullen, Sahan Mihra, Pawan Sandesh, Dushan Hemanta, Isita Vijayasandra, Gaul Gallants, Litan Das, Eshang Malinga, Rassi van der Dassen, Dasan Shanaka, Charit Asalinka, Muhammad Nawaz, Pramod Madhushan, Lasit Kroasfer, Vijayakant Vyaskant, Akif Javed, Sahan Arakchige, Chamika Karunaratna, Tarindu Ratnayake, Sam Harper, Mahidi Hassan Miraz, Hadar Ali, Dinura Kalupahana, Uri Kothigoda, Kasan Rajita, Sachindu Kalambaj, Dambulla Sixes, Riza Hendricks, Dinesh Chandimal, Sahabzada Farhan, Dashmantha Chamira, Mahish Tikshana, Fazal Haq Faruqi, Niroshan Dikwela, Pavan Ratnayake, Akila Dhananjaya, Mohammad Wasim, Dhananjay Lakshan, Ramesh Mendes, Sachita Jayatilek, Gulbadan Nayab, Dian Forrester, Shadley Shalquick, Vishwa Kumara, Gayana Veerasinghe. Thanks for watching JMBDD News.